Hey everyone! Today I want to show you this super complete shoe cleaning kit made for synthetic materials, mesh fabrics, and canvas shoes. Right out of the box, it comes with a handy little towel, a deep cleaning spray solution, a leave-in care solution formulated with coconut oil that smells absolutely delicious, and this ergonomically designed brush that feels so comfortable in your hand. Plus, it includes this cute card that gives it such an original touch. Make sure you read all the instructions on the back of the box before you start. I'm going to use a pair of sneakers that I've had for a while. I love them, and I really want to give them a second life and make them look good again. First, I spray a bit of the deep cleaner right onto the shoe and start scrubbing with the brush. If this video is helping you out so far, please leave me a heart. Your support helps me keep bringing you helpful product reviews and practical tips like this. Next, we rinse them off until no more foam comes out. Just look at the difference right here between the side I've already cleaned and the side I haven't touched yet. Stay tuned until the very end of the video to see the final reveal. Quick tip: make sure to pat them dry with a towel right after rinsing to prevent any watermarks, and let them dry completely before applying the care solution, depending on your shoe's material. Honestly, I am obsessed with how good this coconut oil formula smells. As you can see, the difference is night and day. The shoe cleaning kit by Ribub actually works.